Is our reality just a simulation? Have you ever played a video game so real it felt like stepping into another world? Now imagine a simulation so advanced that it's indistinguishable from reality itself. That's the mind-blowing proposition of the simulation hypothesis. This theory suggests that our universe isn't real in the traditional sense, but rather a sophisticated computer program created by a highly advanced civilization. Think about how video games have evolved. From pixelated figures to breathtakingly realistic landscapes, the progress is astounding. If our technology continues on this trajectory, who's to say that creating a universe-sized simulation is impossible? One fascinating aspect of this hypothesis is the concept of limited rendering. Just like a video game focuses its processing power on the areas you're currently exploring, our simulated universe might do the same. What happens when we look beyond? Does the simulation render those parts on demand, or is there a limit to its computational capacity? It's a question that pushes the boundaries of our current understanding. Raising AI a mirror to our upbringing? The quest to create artificial intelligence is like raising a child in the digital realm. We feed AI systems massive amounts of data, hoping they'll learn, adapt, and eventually think for themselves. This process mirrors our upbringing, where we absorb information from our surroundings to develop our understanding of the world. Imagine teaching a child to ride a bike. You provide instructions, offer support, and watch them wobble and fall until they find their balance. Similarly, AI developers train algorithms using vast data sets, guiding them to recognize patterns, make predictions, and perform complex tasks. The more data an AI system receives, the more sophisticated its responses become. This continuous learning process has led to remarkable breakthroughs, with AI now capable of composing music, writing poetry, and even diagnosing diseases. But it also begs the question, if we can create machines that learn and evolve like humans, what does that say about the nature of our own consciousness? The multiverse. A grand experiment of choices? The multiverse theory, a favorite among science fiction enthusiasts, proposes that our universe isn't alone. Instead, there might be an infinite number of parallel universes, each representing a different outcome of every choice ever made. Imagine a reality where you chose a different career path, a different life partner, or even a different breakfast cereal this morning. In this grand cosmic experiment, every possible choice and consequence plays out somewhere in the vast expanse of the multiverse. This raises intriguing questions about free will and determinism. Are our lives predetermined, or do we truly have the power to shape our destinies? Does the multiverse serve as a testing ground for every conceivable human experience, exploring the infinite possibilities of our choices? Our minds, the architects of our realities? What if reality as we perceive it exists only within the confines of our minds? This mind-bending concept suggests that we're not merely passive observers of the world around us, but active participants in shaping our own realities. Our thoughts, beliefs, and expectations influence our experiences, creating a unique and personalized simulation for each individual. Think about how two people can have vastly different interpretations of the same event. Our individual perspectives, shaped by our past experiences and ingrained biases, color our perception of reality. This subjective nature of experience lends credence to the idea that our minds play a much more active role in shaping our realities than we might realize. Dreams have fascinated and perplexed humans for centuries. These nocturnal adventures transport us to surreal landscapes, confront us with hidden desires, and often leave us questioning the nature of reality itself. What if dreams are more than just random firings of neurons? Could they be glimpses into alternate realities or even beta versions of simulations yet to be fully realized? Imagine a software developer testing out new features and storylines in a virtual world. Similarly, our dreams might be testing grounds for new experiences, emotions, and even physical laws. These beta simulations could be preparing us for future challenges, expanding the limits of our consciousness, or simply offering a playground for our subconscious minds to explore. Our physical bodies are incredible machines, capable of awe-inspiring feats of strength, agility, and resilience. But what if our bodies are merely vessels, temporary homes for something far more enduring, our consciousness? This concept separates the physical from the non-physical, suggesting that our true essence lies beyond the limitations of our corporeal forms. Think of your body as a spacesuit, protecting and transporting you through the harsh environment of the physical world. Just as an astronaut eventually sheds their suit upon returning to the space station, our consciousness might transcend our physical forms after death. This separation raises profound questions about the nature of the afterlife, the possibility of reincarnation, and the potential for consciousness to exist independently of the body. Our brains are intricate networks of billions of neurons, constantly firing and transmitting electrical signals that give rise to our thoughts, memories, and experiences. What if we could capture and preserve this complex neural activity as data? Could we then upload this data into a computer simulation, effectively achieving a form of digital immortality? Imagine transferring your memories, personality traits, and even your deepest fears and aspirations into a digital realm. This raises both exciting and unsettling possibilities. Would this digital copy truly be you, or simply a sophisticated imitation? What ethical and philosophical dilemmas arise from the prospect of extending consciousness beyond the natural limitations of the human body? From the moment we're born, we embark on a journey of discovery, seeking meaning and purpose in a world often filled with chaos and uncertainty. What if this innate desire for purpose isn't merely a product of our upbringing or societal conditioning, but rather a fundamental aspect of our programming? Think of our DNA as the source code of life, containing the blueprints for our physical and mental attributes. Could this code also contain instructions for our purpose, guiding us towards specific goals or contributions to the grand tapestry of existence? This concept suggests that our lives are not merely random occurrences, but rather part of a larger, predetermined plan. As we grapple with these mind-blowing theories, it's essential to remember that we're venturing into the realm of speculation and imagination. The true nature of reality, consciousness, and our place in the cosmos remains one of the greatest mysteries of all time. Perhaps the most important takeaway is not to find definitive answers, but to cultivate a sense of wonder and curiosity about the universe and our place within it. The journey of exploration is just as important as the destination, and embracing the unknown is what drives us to push the boundaries of human understanding.